In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Cisco WebEx on laptop. By the end, you'll have the app installed, signed in, and ready to join or host meetings with confidence. First, open your web browser and search for the WebEx download page. Typing something simple like WebEx download will get you there quickly. Make sure you're heading to the official Cisco WebEx website so you get the latest, secure version of the app. On the results page, click the official WebEx site. You'll know it's the right one if it's the Cisco WebEx downloads page with clear options for Windows and Mac OS. Once you're on the site, look near the top right corner for the download button and click it. This takes you straight to the desktop app section. The page will automatically detect whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. Click the blue download button that matches your system, such as Windows x64 or the correct Mac OS version for Intel or Apple Silicon. If you're unsure which Mac you have, Apple menu. About this Mac will tell you. After the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder. On Windows, you'll see WebEx app. On Mac, it's WebEx app. Double-click the file to start the installer. Follow the setup wizard on screen. On Windows, accept the prompts and let the wizard complete. On Mac, open the DMG and, if prompted, drag the app into your Applications folder. When the installation finishes, WebEx will launch automatically. Now that it's installed, you can sign in to manage meetings or simply join as a guest if the host allows it. Signing in gives you access to your meetings, chat, and settings. Open the app and enter your email address. If your organization already gave you an account, use those credentials. If not, you can create a new WebEx account in a few quick steps. To join a meeting from a link, just click the meeting link in your email or calendar invite. The WebEx app will open and take you to the right meeting. To join manually, open WebEx, choose Join a meeting, and enter the meeting number or the full meeting link provided by your host. Before you connect, use the preview screen to select your microphone and speakers, toggle your camera, and choose a virtual background if you like. This is a great moment to test audio. Once you're in the meeting, use the controls at the bottom to mute or unmute, start or stop your video, share your screen, and open the participant list. When you're done, simply leave the meeting using the on-screen control. That's it, you're ready to use WebEx on your laptop.